Welcome to Science and Time. We all know about the action reaction phenomena, but have you ever wondered that what's the science behind this? Let's say you are in a space and you start moving away from the space station. And suddenly you realize that your thrusters are out of fuel. And now the question is that how do you go back to the space station without any thrusters? To solve this, let's understand the action reaction phenomena. In 1686, Isaac Newton came up with his three laws of motion, which revolutionized the field of science and is still being used to invent new technologies. Out of the three laws, the law we are focusing on will be the third law, which is also known as action reaction law. Newton stated that whenever one object exerts a force on second object, the second object exerts an equal and opposite force on the first. Now let's understand it using a simple example. Let's say Mr. Vector is standing on Earth's north pole. For simplicity, let's neglect the variation of weight with latitudes. So the Earth is pulling on Mr. Vector with some force. Let's name this F Earth. But according to Newton's third law, every action has equal and opposite reaction. Therefore, we can say that Mr. Vector, being very small compared to Earth, exerts some force on Earth which is exactly equal to the force applied by Earth on Mr. Vector. Now let's move back to the previous problem of you in space. What would you do? Now since you know Newton's third law, you can use it and throw a piece of equipment in a direction opposite to you such that the force that the object exerts on you pushes you towards the space station and save your life. After all, you're much more important than a piece of equipment. Now that's Newton's third law. If you like this video, then please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified for the future science videos.